Hello. Hi everyone. I'm Kriti Jindal, the Sufiana girl. I'm a professional celebrity tarot card reader, numerologist, healer, and today I'm here to give you some guidance to give answers of your questions. Okay, so let me just brief how it works first. In the comment below, first you guys need to put your entry. You need to send me your full name and you need to send me your date of birth with your question. So I will be taking one question per person, so this way we will go. Okay, so let's start with first. Let me just give you a little bit about my introduction. Okay, I'm Sufiana girl, and I have in my career, and I have a good career in my this tarot card reading and numerology. So I'm a angel card reader as well. Okay, thank you Astha Jain for welcoming me, and let me just start with the tarot card reading. So you guys can give the entry of your name. Okay, you need to drop your full name, your question, and your date of birth, and don't forget to follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page. Yes, with your questions, after your question I will be providing you one guidance as well, like how you need to work on the particular situation, how you need to how the things can help you out. Okay, hi Sarita Prabhakar, you can definitely send your full name and your date of birth with your question so that I can help you out. Yes guys, you can definitely ask your question, and in the meanwhile I can definitely draw a card of the day which will be common for everyone. So let's start. Till the time I will gather some more audience on my page, and we will get some more questions from our group members, from the beautiful group which is here, and on which we are here to help each other also. So let me just start with the guidance card first. What is the guidance cards of 17th August 2020? So this guidance card is telling you to be little more emotionally awakened in your life. Okay, there is a lot happening which is not really fruitful right now. There is a lot of emotional disturbance. There is a lot of hopeless situation right now going, but yes, definitely time will be changing. And if I see by the cards, by after somewhere 20th December, our universal stars is changing, our universal planets are changing, which will be providing us more favorable situation in our life. So don't be hopeless, be connected with your people, be this is the time to get connected with everyone. Maybe situation is not really favorable in terms of finance, relationship, or many more aspects, but yes, there is still a lot of hope, and there is still a lot of good things coming in your way. You guys just need to wait till December and you will see the changes, as this year 2020 is the year of Rahu. If we calculate it by the numerology, it is 2020. So 2 plus 2, that is 4, and number 4 is the number of Rahu. So basically we see that there is a lot of happening in this universe which is not really good. So let's just uh, join our hands together and get over with this Rahu period, so that we can see the more opportunity, more hopes in our upcoming time. Okay, so guys, you need to send me your questions. I'm getting a lot of highs, I'm getting you know uh, replies from people, from Kiran, from Priyanka. So guys, you need to send me your full name, your date of birth, and your question, so that I can read your cards, I can give you the guidance, and I can give you the more clear picture about the thing which is bothering actually in your life. So I got one question. Status of my career and finance. Banani Das, and her date of birth is 2012-1988. Okay, let's take your question first. So this is my first question. So welcome to this group, welcome to this live session, and I'm starting with my first question of this live session with Banani Das. Okay, what I see, if I talk about your career, then I see that you will have little more aspects and more opportunity regarding your career. In the past, I don't see that you was really very much focused towards the thing, but now the priority of your career, of your life, is more financial. Okay, so that you can grow your finance and you can grow yourself more good in your life. So career wise, I see that you can travel somewhere nearby your place, so that you can get some more financial good opportunity. And financially it's going to be good. If you have to take money from someone, this is the good time, so that you can ask for the money, because I see that financial growth is coming towards you. You just need to take few steps so that you can get that thing in your life. Okay, so now let me just drag one guidance card for you, Banani. Okay, the guidance card is that firstly I see that you are very high maintenance and the luxurious kind of the woman. You are not the person who really gets satisfied easily with the things. The major guidance for your life is right now that if something is not really working out for you, you try to get over with that. You try to run away from the situation which is not really favorable. Okay, you need to be there, you need to act upon that situation, and then you should go ahead. If you are ignoring the situation, that will give you a major drawback. So don't ignore, and uh, you know uh, see what you can do to change the situation. Okay, let me just check another question. Now I got the question for Kiran Bala. Ma'am, please tell me, when will be my business growth? 28 July 1980. Please give me job, business is suitable for me. Okay, so let me just first check, Kiran Bala, whether is business is good for you or the job is good for you. Firstly, you are not the person who can be instructed by anyone. You cannot take anyone's instruction. You are the self-made person. You have lot of skills, you have lot of opportunity, you have lot of confidence within you. You need to work on your situation. Okay, you cannot go for the job is not your cup of tea. So go for the business is more suitable for you. Business will give you more prosperity in your life. You just need to have a good guidance in your life. If you have some elder male person around you, that person can definitely guide you very much good. So take a guidance according to that male person, and you can definitely grow your business. So let me just check when I can see that your business will be growing. Okay, I see that your business will be growing basically in October. You will see some changes that your business will be growing. Okay, so let me just check another question. Surbhi, 5/10/1974. Please tell me about my boutique business. Thank you. Okay, Surbhi, let's take your question about your boutique business. Subi, I see that on your boutique business there is some evil eye. Okay, you get the finance. There is no restriction of the finance. In the next month also, I see that there is a flow of the finance. So firstly, you need to work on on the picture that no one give evil eye on your things. So there is little negative blockage which is blocking your thing, and apart from that, you also need to work on the strategic part of your business. how you want to work on the strategic part. Okay, so yeah, you have opportunity, but you are not grabbing that. So make a strategy so that you can get the better possibilities to increase your business and the finance. And yes, do take some action to get over with that negativity. Right now in this session, I'm not giving any remedies, but yes, if you really want to get some remedies or the solution of the issues, you can DM me on my Instagram page. My Instagram page is the Sufiana Girl, which Asta Jan already shared uh, before this live session started, and it is very much there in the this uh, post also, so you can go through my Instagram handle. There is lot more tips also given on my page to attract money, to get rid of the negativity, to improve your relationship, so you can go through and you can check that. And don't forget to follow my page. Okay, let me just check another question. Ruth 541989, is this the right time to grow my business? Okay, let me check. See, I will not say that this is the right time for to grow your business. So whatever step you will be taking, you will be not getting any loss, not profit. So it will be a very cold situation. So let me just check when it is a good time to grow your business. 2021 seems to be a very good for you. I see that you will be getting lot of flourishing thing in 2021. You will be definitely getting lot of financial benefit also. So if you want to take any change in 2021, just wait for few months, and once 2020 this 20th December ends, you can definitely take action. And still, if you want to take a consultation, you can go to my page, you can DM me, and I will ask, I will help you out. And let me just give one guidance card also. Okay, the guidance cards for you is that you are being little restricted to the area wise. You can travel to some other cities, or you can take orders from the other cities, so that you can get the better opportunity. Okay, so yeah, let me just check now. Next question is for Swati Agarwal. It is 1911-1988, about my career and personal life. Okay, Swati, career wise, you need to take some practical decision. You are not being very practical in your career. You are just jungling up with the things. You need to get a focus, and you need to get a desirable path, so that you can get the better opportunity. Focus is missing, practicality is missing. Okay, so otherwise, if I see your career seems to be good. I see that you can grow in your career, but there is not really a good growth. So you need to look for more better opportunities in your life. Let me check about the personal life. In your personal life, which is I see that there was the past betrayal or the heartbreak, which is still the hurt within you. So you need to cut the cords of that person. You need to move forward in your life, so that you can enhance your personal life. So it's really important to cut the cords, Swati. Okay, as per saying, please give your complete name, date of birth, and question. Okay, so let me check the next question. Next question is for Chavi Gupta. Tell me about my career. Okay, her date of birth is 3/8/1979. Ooh, this is so amazing. I see that, Chavi, your career seems to be really good. You are doing so good, and you have so much plans in your mind. So you can definitely work on that. There is one guidance with that. Sometimes you get really very much busy in marry making, as you are a very fun loving kind of a person. So just concentrate more on the work and less on the marry makings. Okay, let me just take the next question. Sufia. It's 15/5/1990. My marriage and career. Okay. Okay, right now what I see that Sufia, if I talk about your marriage, you are not really able to accept the situation. In the past, there was something happened which was not really, good for you. You took time to get over with that hurt. But now, if you are looking for, something in your relationship or in your match or regarding your marriage, you are not able to accept the situation. You're not really able to accept the person. So be practical and don't be so emotional. Just look for the thing that which you can improve in your life, in your personal life or in your marriage. Okay. And now let's take a question for your career. Okay, because of your emotional disbalance and because of your personal life issues, you are not really concentrating on your career, and this is the major drawback of your career. If you will not concentrate on that, I see that you can get a lot of issues. So be focused. You are putting a lot of negativity in your career. Okay, let's take a question for Kanika Rastogi. Have invested some money. When can I expect the return with the profit? Her date of birth is 14/2/84. Kanika, I see that after 25 December you will get the money. It is not going to be very easy, but the profit is for sure, and you will be getting in this year only. So if you try more to approach the person or to get the things, you will definitely able to get the money, and profit is for sure coming to you. Amos Mukherjee, Nitya Anand Mukherjee. Okay, she mentioned one card reading, personal life. Okay. Okay, if I talk about her personal life, I see that she will be getting some more better options in her personal life once August end, and in the mid of the August also I see that she will be getting some good stability. Although somewhere she want to move out of the house, she want to go a little bit away, but that will be good for her personal life also. And she need to be little more take care of her finance as well. So all over I see that whatever decision she want to take, that will be good for her. Welcome, Kiran. Okay. Shakunjan, you need to provide me your full name and date of birth. Rutul, I have already taken your question, so please check in the live video only. So I'm looking for the next question. People are just saying hi and putting the questions, but it's full name. But it's really important to send all the details so that I can take. Okay, there is a one question about the Sarita Prabhakar, 25/10/73. Want to know about my online jewelry business. Okay, so what is the card is saying for Sarita? Sarita, what I see that there is not really a good opportunity in this online business. To be very honest, don't be disheartened, because there is a lot of restrictions on you, and that is restricting your path to get more marketing. So you need to work on more marketing things, and don't be hopeless. And if there is something restricting in your life to get into this jewelry thing, then you need to work on that, and don't be too argumentative, because I see that some arguments can happen with you. Okay, let me just check what is the guidance for her. And if someone is giving you, Sarita, if someone is giving you some kind of a shortcut or the risk, don't take that, because that won't be really favorable for you. Yeah. So I guess I got a lot of more questions. So this session is for not more than half an hour. So I will be taking few more questions, and rest people can DM me on my Instagram so that I can carry forward their session. So let's check the Sophia. Sophia, I guess we have already taken your question. Thawani Jain, 18th July 1985. I want to know about my new organization and my partnership involved. Okay, let's take a question for Dhwani Jain. Dhwani Jain, what I see that your partnership is good. Your organization will also working good, but you need to keep little patience. You are rushing too fast, so you need to take a practical decision before fixing up or before finalizing anything. Rest, I see that your new organization will work. I see that there's a lot of hopes and there is a lot of opportunity you can get in this stream, so that you can get the better things in your life. So yeah, the organization and the partnership both is good. It's just that you need to work little more on the documentation, and you need to little bit more go slow and steady, because slow and steady win the race. You are being too fast with the things. Okay. Vibha Suri, business growth and own commercial space by when? Okay. Vibha Suri 14/7/78. Vibha, your business seems to be good. I see that there is a lot of hard work you do, and you will definitely get the results of your hard work. And there is, a lot of financial gain also you will get. But if I talk about your own commercial space, that is little difficult. The stars is not really favorable you to get your own commercial space. So don't put your energy and don't waste your energy into that. Concentrate on the growth, because this is the time to collect your all finance with you. Ira Saxena, want to know about career growth. 15/11/1980. I'm so glad that I'm getting all the questions regarding the careers. So all the women is so connected towards the career and the professional life. So this is so amazing. Okay, I was taking the Ira's question. So Ira, you want to know? Ira, I see that you need to be a little more planful. You need to be a little more, be calculative in your mind. In the past, things didn't work out with you, which you have fear in your mind. Okay, but there is a lot of opportunity will be coming towards you. You need to get what is better for you. Don't get into the illusion that okay, I got this, but you need to really evaluate which is good for you. So career growth seems to be good. Swati, welcome. Vibhasuri, we have already taken your question. Bhavna Malhotra, 1/10/1984, when I will get married. Okay. Bhavna, what I see that your marriage will be in 2022, but yes, in this year, if you would like to go, you can take you can grow your finance. That will be good for you. But if I talk about your marriage, that is in 2022. Okay. Welcome, Chavi Gupta. Shikha Gupta, you need to tell me your full name and date of birth. Resham Chopra, let me just check your card for your marriage. Resham Chopra, I see that by the end of this year you can get fixed by somewhere. okay, but your marriage seems to be by the next year only. It is not going to be very easily in this year. Monica Khanna's question is, will I marry Raman as it's my second marriage? Okay, let me check. Monica, I want to tell you that he is very, little bit cunning person. He's little maturer to you also. So you need to evaluate whether this person is good for you. But because I don't see that it's going to be really good. But still, if you want to ask whether when you will get married to him, then sorry to say, but I don't see the very good chances. So if you want to know something detail about this, then why it is not good or something, then you can definitely ping me on my Instagram profile. I will help you over there. Manya, her date of birth is 16/6/1984. uh, Manya, what I see that your energies is more inclined towards your emotional and the relationship energies. So you need to work on your career. You need to put a little more efforts towards that. And I know that personal life is also important, but here, if you really want to get a good results in your growth and finance, then you need to be a little more inclined towards that. Otherwise, if you ask that whether it is going to be good or not, if you put efforts, it will definitely show you the colors, because right now I don't see your efforts. Okay, Shikha Gupta. Shikha Tiwari, 21 Jan 1985. I'm planning to start an online business, but problem are coming in it. Please suggest me. Okay. Shika, what I see that you are not having the accurate knowledge how to go ahead with the things. You are being so stressed out because there is a lot of products, there is a lot of things which is going, but you are not getting the exact answer. So you need to be a little more, you need to be little more research on the things, so that you can get the clarity how to go ahead with the things, how to take a charge over the things, because yes, definitely it will work, but right now clarity should be there, which is missing. Khurana. Okay, let me check. Shifali, 13/11/1987. uh, Shifali, your I see that job perspective is good. You can definitely get good jobs, but you are not really, inclined towards one field. You need to think that actually where you want to go. Then it will help you out. Monica's, your question is already done. Bhavna Malhotra, your question is also done. So now I will be taking the last question, and then I will be winding up this session, because the time is already it's done. So let's take the last question of the Resham Chopra. 3/19/1974. When I will get married, and will I get financially abundant success in my work? Okay. Okay, I see the good cards for you, Resham. Resham, you will get married in 2022 December, and if I talk about your abundant success, definitely you will get the abundant success, but you need to wait for some times, and you will see the fruits. So it's going to be really good for you. Okay, so wait for 2021 and you will see the magical thing of your marriage. So this was my last question. As I already told you, the time is over for the live session, and firstly I want to thank you all for your such an amazing participation towards this live session, to showing so much love towards me, and to support for this live session. I will be looking forward to you all in my next upcoming sessions in the same group. So thank you so much, And special thanks to the Astha Jan and to the group who helped me out, and who took this initiative to organize this live session to help all of you and to me also. So thank you all. And if you guys have any other question or other any query, please DM me on my Facebook page or the Instagram page. It is very much provided lot of time by Astha, and it is mentioned in the post as well. So I will be looking forward for your more questions and for the more sessions. Thank you so much and have a good evening. God bless you, and may this year give you more peace, and you will get everything whatever you want. Thank you guys.